Hello and welcome back to growNglow channel. My name is Pascal. Sorry about the noise here. We're right out on the road here and there's somebody demolishing in a house next door. Today I am going to do a video. I'm going to show you how to take cuttings from a lemon or lime plant. This one I got about 2.5 years ago and I put it in the raised bed here and it was only about that size, and I think it's 2.5 years. We have many fruit on it this year. Some of them go yellow. So some of them are yellow, like this one, they go yellow. You can let them go yellow. They are very hard, this variety. But we normally take them when they're green. There's possibly about 300 on this so far. They just keep coming. Some of them are after landing on the ground there and we're after losing them and they will go yellow inside as well. Anyway, we're not about to go to harvest today. There's about 30 or 40 of them there at the moment. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to take a cutting and grow another one if you want to grow another one. Now be careful, most lemons and limes have thorny and this one is no exception. When it was young it didn't, so I'll get a nice fresh one here. Don't take one that is got fruit or anything like that on it. Just get a nice fresh one like that and cut it off like this. And then we will trim it off back in the table. So we'll take 4 or 5 like that. Just nice, you know, the leaves are going to be nice. You can take a smaller one like this one that's not woody itself. You can use a hormone if you want to. I don't think there's any need for us to use a hormone in it. So you just try and get the freshest one you have. Not so woody. That one is damaged, so I won't take that one. Here's one here. Maybe it's a little bit woody. Fresh one here. It's a little bit small, but we will try it. And there's a crooked one here. Now it's giving more air to the plant itself. So why would you make cuttings when you have no room? Mainly I do it to give it away to friends. You could have a business selling them, you put them. These will grow, this variety will grow in pots. So I'm going to bring it over to the table there and now and we will propagate it. It's a bit tough. So then we pull off the leaves. You don't have to, you can pull them off. You can cut them off if you like. If a little bit of the skin of the stem comes with it, that's fine. Don't worry about it. If you want to, you can cut off the thorns as well. For me, it's one way or the other. And the more of these you get, the better. Now, I'm not going to go right down to the very bottom, but I am going to push it down like this, like that, and then I'm going to compress it in. And that's it. Then all we do is we water it in and we leave it. I give it a good watering. Now you can clip the top of the leaves if you want to. I'll just hold that back there because I put too much water in it. By putting the water in now, that means there'll be no air voids. You want to avoid air voids inside in it. If you like, you can water it first, but I prefer to water it afterwards. But we could do with a lot more compost in this one. I'll give it a top up. It's after sinking down. You can fill it back up if you like. And what we do then is I just put it in a shady place. And it will take a month, maybe, or maybe 2 months for the roots to fully develop. So yeah, you can, as I said, you can cut them off or you can pull them off. It's nice to have a nice clean end on the end there. So then I will do another one over here. I'm going to make it a little bit more compressed. Not fully compressed, but just enough. And then if you like, you can chop pieces off the ends of the leaves here. Sometimes it will help it grow. But don't grow anything, don't use anything with flowers or... The reason I'm cutting it off the leaf, I don't want the growth to go into the leaf, the growing of the top part. I want it to go into the roots and develop the roots. But at the same time, you do need leaves. You do need it you do need photosynthesis while it's going on, or it may die. I'll show you one here I grew. Here's one I grew. I think maybe about 8 or 9 months ago. It took a while for the roots to grow, but we transferred it into another pot after we got roots. You can air layer it if you like on the plant, but there's no need to do that with a lemon. So yeah, this is how we grow our lemon trees, on our lime trees, how we propagate them, and you can make yourself a little lemon grove, depending on where you live. So, thank you very much for watching. If you like this video here on growNglow, please subscribe.